I'm working in Cursor, where the AI agent is built directly into my editor. With GrowthBook Skills, that agent can also create and manage feature flag workflows. In my developer courses and learning application called DevPossum, I want to roll out a personalized course banner, but only for beta users. I describe the goal in plain language. The agent selects the right GrowthBook skill, checks my workspace, and guides me through creating the flag safely. The new flag starts disabled, so nothing changes for users until the team is ready. Then I can keep going in the same workflow and ask the agent to use our standard rollout template, beta users first, and then approval before it expands. The flag appears in GrowthBook alongside the rest of my team's work with the same controls and source of truth. Install GrowthBook Skills today and bring feature flag workflows into the AI editor you already use.